What's up guys, Zach from Wire Customs. Today is finally the day where I need to start taking apart the Model A. Didn't mean to make that rhyme. To start putting the V8 stuff on it. Start mocking it up. Can't wait. Took the fenders off the Model A so I could start mocking up the axle, the juice brakes on the front end of it. I was like, oh man, let me clamp the headlight bars on and get that hot rod look real quick. It looks pretty cool. I think I'm just gonna cut the original headlight bar and make a bracket for it because space is out just right. I think that would look really nice. That's how it is right here. Correct. I'll have to get the torch out on this one. Hey, what's up guys, it's Zach from Wired Customs. I was in the middle of shooting a video of me taking apart the axle right there, and I noticed I was running low on gas on the torch, so I called up my gas shop, and apparently they're closed because of everything that's going on right now. So I had to weigh my options of what I can't get done during this downtime. Have all this extra time at home because the coronavirus stuff going on. I gotta make sure I keep progressing on my projects. And I decided instead of to keep torching, use the rest of my gas on the axle, which the axle's gonna take a lot of gas. I'm gonna keep taking apart the block. So now I want to switch over to working on the block. So you really gotta get the axle red hot to get these perches out. They're a pain to take apart when they're old, crusty like this. So I'm saving all that torch gas for the engine instead. So thankfully my machinist is still open, so if I get the engine the rest of the way apart, I can send that off to the shop and worry about other things in the meantime. So here we go.